Hi, welcome my awesome future students. My name is Edwin Diaz and I got over 490,000 students in Udemy and over 700,000 all over the world. Now, I'm going to teach you units for beginners in this course, and you might be asking yourself, okay, Edwin, what is units? Well, before you think that, before I explain what it is, let me just show you the course objective here. It's super simple to teach you how to use units. What is units? Well, with units is an operating system behind the scenes of popular operating system like Mac OS, even behind Windows. Back in the day, Windows based their operating systems on Unix. Now they did break off with time, but companies like Oracle, HP, IBM, all these companies use Unix behind the scenes to manage many Unix-like devices. Okay, the Android has Unix behind the scenes. The iPhone has Unix behind the scenes. So if you have a Mac OS system, you are in a great place. If you have a Ubuntu terminal, you are in a great place because most of the stuff that we are going to be doing here are going to be can be used for Ubuntu machines as well. Okay, so if you want to learn how to do commands using your terminal in your Mac OS system or even your Ubuntu machine, you are in the right place. Join me now and let's find out how to use units.